center compliance technology to fundamentally prevent assembly defects. C&M Robotics Center Master is a device that automatically compensates for center in the assembly or insertion process of precision parts. When there is a misalignment between assembly parts, the defects and troubles occur, such as scratches, wedging, tearing out, oil leakage, loose fitting, run-out defects, machine damage, and operation stoppage. Center compensation is performed mechanically, no need for other peripherals like sensor. These assembly defects are fundamentally prevented by Center Master, so the assembly quality is greatly improved. Center Master is a useful product for assembling or inserting of precision parts that require quality control, such as automobile parts, electronic parts, motors, and so on. Center Master A, LA, and LT series are used for insertion and non-force assembly. And B, T, and S series are used for press-fit assembly. The A series compensates for center by correcting of positional error, angular error, and torsional error during insertion or assembly. LA and LT series are used for the part transfer assembly process. LA and LT series have a lockup function to prevent shaking while part transfer and release the lockup function before assembling to compensate for center by correcting of positional error, angular error, and torsional error. The B series is used for press-fit assembly and compensates for center by correcting of positional and torsional errors. When the installation space is narrow, flangeless type BS series is suitable. BH series is suitable if the assembly direction is horizontal or slanted. The gravity compensation device is installed to prevent Center Master from sagging. The BF series, a high-force model, has a press force 1.5 times stronger than that of the standard model. It is used when the actual press force is stronger than the standard rated force. The T series is a model that compensates for center by correcting only the positional error without rotational movement in the press-fit assembly or torque test. Center Master can also be installed in reverse. S and SS series are models with built-in load cells. This model performs simultaneously center compliance and force measurement in the press-fit assembly process with conventional presses such as pneumatic, hydraulic, or hand press. No need for installing a separate load cell allows simple and cost-saving quality control. Center Master is used by many leading companies such as Hyundai, Kia, Toyota, Geely, Bosch, Schaeffler, Sanhua, and so on, and is exported to 18 countries around the world. Total solution provider of center compensation technology. C&M Robotics is always with you.